Hey everyone, welcome to my second video about iccbank.com. If you remember, this is my second video about ICC Bank. The first one was about ICC Bank, ACC Bank mobile application on Google Play Store, and this is about website and how to log in ICC Bank account on a website. So it is really a colorful website, and it is orange dominant website. So as you see, there is a login button on the right top of the page, and if you enter your account, you need to click login button, orange login button here. So I think the new page will open. Sorry for my slow internet connection. Maybe it has a problem of website. Yes, and the new page will open, and it is infinity.iccbank.com. And as you see, there is a login page on the right side of the page, and you need to type your user ID and you need to type your registered mobile phone here, and then you can enter your account, I think. And also, if you don't have an account on iccbank.com, you need to create a new account. And let's talk about how to create a new account. And firstly, you need to use the internet banking user ID during the account opening process. And you need to visit the bank's website and click on new user tab on the right top corner, as you see like here. I think yes, login page will be open, I think so. I don't want to come back. And the third step is that yes, you need to click on the I want my password button to generate your password, and then once generated you can click on login to enter your user ID and password. Okay, and enjoy the website, and I think it is really easy to open a new account on this page. So thanks for watching my video. See you.